Good morning, everyone. My name is Arslan, and you are watching Proper Pariksha, the place where we strive for academic excellence in a simple and comprehensive manner. So, today we'll be starting the topic of addition and subtraction of fraction. So, I hope that you have completed the exercises and concepts taught by us, and that you have gone through our video lectures in totality. So if you have gone through the video lectures in totality, then all the things I hope will be very easy and comfortable with you. So coming to the topic of the R, that is addition and subtraction of fractions. So basically, whenever you want to add a fraction, the thumb rule you have to follow is that the denominator must be same. Whenever you have to add or subtract the fraction, the denominator must always be same. For example, if you have 2 upon 6 and 3 upon 6, you can either have it in plus, that will give you the answer of 5 upon 6. If it is in minus, that will give you the answer of minus 1 upon 6. If you have it as minus and plus, that will give you answer of plus 1 upon 6. And if you have this in plus and you have this in minus, that is the same as the second scenario. This will give you the answer of minus 1 upon 6, or you have both in minus, that will give you minus 5 upon 6. So I have written these both. Okay, so I'll just write the answers again. So plus and plus, that will give you 5 upon 6. If it is plus and minus, then that will give you the answer of 2 plus 3. Plus and minus, that will give you the answer of 2 minus 3, that is minus 1 upon 6. If it is minus and plus, then that will give you 3 minus 2, that is plus 1 upon 6, that is, or simply 1 upon 6. If you have minus and minus, that will give you minus 2 minus 3. And as you know that how do we calculate the addition and subtraction of negative integers, that is, we take the minus sign outside and we just add them up. So 2 plus 3 will be taken as 5 and minus sign will be taken and minus 5 by 6. But what if the denominators are not same? So you know how to make the denominators same. That is with the help of LCM method. Either use the LCM method or simplify the other fraction if it is possible to make it in the simplest form. You just need to make the denominator same, and that is the thumb rule. You can do it in whatever means you want. So this will be much more better understood if I try to give you certain examples and questions and we'll get along with it. So question number 1, my mother divided an apple into 4 equal parts. Okay, the apple has been divided into 4 equal parts. She gave me 2 parts and I got 2 parts. Okay, and brother got 1 part. How much apple did she give to both of us? So you just need to add the both of them so that you can understand how much has been given, and mother remaining and is how much. So this will be done by 2 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4. Denominators are already same, so just need to add the numerators by using the algebraic signs. So here nothing is mentioned, therefore it is plus. So 2 plus 1 give you 3 upon 4. So this much has been given, and how much is remaining? That will be 4 upon 4 minus 3 upon 4, and this will give you denominator same. So 4 plus 4 minus 3 will give you plus 1 by 4 of an apple, and that is remaining. So this is the apple that is remaining with the mother. Question number 2, mother asked Neelu and her brother to pick stones from wheat. Okay, that was a very old practice, and nowadays you younger generation might not have seen that the people used to pick stones from wheat and rice, because they used to come with stones. Only few people, only few times you used to use the rice of packet one, because it was very costly and it was only used on special occasions while making our biryani or making kheer. So generally the rice which was used for daily consumption was having stones, and we used to pick that. It was a very tedious, time consuming and patient task. Mother asked Neelu and her brother to pick stones. Okay, so there are two people, three people. Mother has given a task to Neelu and brother. Neelu picked 1/4 of the total stones. So she has picked 1/4 of the total stones, and her brother has picked 1/4, has also picked 1/4. So okay, the both of them has picked one stone, 1/4. What fraction of stones did both pick up together? So you just need to add 1 plus 4, 1 plus 4, 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4. That will give you 2 upon 4. That will be further simplified into 1 upon 2. So what fraction of stones? So 1 upon 2 is the fraction, and it can be represented as half. So half of the stone has been collected by Neelu and her brother. Coming to question number 3 together. Question number 3. Sohan was putting covers on his notebook. Okay, that is something which we still do. We buy notebooks and we put a cover, generally orange or brown or a transparent one, when we have to cover our notebooks and books. When we start our new class, whenever we start a new class, this is a general practice which we do. I don't know if you do now, but I used to do, and my younger brother also used to do. So that is something which I know that it used to happen just quite a few years back. Sohan was putting covers. So there is one people, that is Sohan, and he put 1/4 of the covers on Monday. So on Monday there is only one person. There are number of days. So what you need to do is that you just need to write Monday, and Monday ko 1 upon 4th. He put another 1/4 on Tuesday. Then on Tuesday he put 1 upon 4th, and or remaining on Wednesday, and the remaining were you put on Wednesday. So what fraction of did he use, or did he put the covers on Wednesday? So you need to find out the remaining. So therefore, total number of covers to be put are 4 upon 4, because if 1 upon 4, 1 upon 4 is there, so this means that the whole particular bundle or book or number of covers that have been taken into account in this question is divided into 4 parts, and 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 4. So if we take all of them together, then it will be 4 upon 4, or is equal to 1. So total is 4 upon 4, and Monday and Tuesday cumulatively will be 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4. That will give you 2 upon 8. That will give you 1 upon 4. Okay, I'm sorry, 2 upon 4, that will give you 1 upon 2. So half of the covers have been put. Now what is remaining? So remaining is equal to total minus Monday and Tuesday. So total minus Monday minus Tuesday, which can be written as total minus Monday and Tuesday in bracket. So Monday and Tuesday have been written over here, that is this, and Monday plus Tuesday is 1 upon 2. So the answer will be 4 upon 4 minus 2 upon 4. You can use this part, the non-simplified part, and that will give you 2 upon 4 again, and that will be 1 upon 2. So you can write that 2/4 or half of the total covers are still remaining or were put on Wednesday. Question number 4. Find the difference between 7 upon 8 and 3 upon 8. So you just need to subtract 7 upon 8 and 3 upon 8. So I'll show you two methods of doing the same, and what if you do it wrong? How will you know that you have done it wrong? So you see that there are two fractions given. One is 7 upon 8 and 3 upon 8, and generally the fractions which will be given for subtraction will have different denominator, different numerator. So you will not have the idea or with that which is greater and which should be placed with a positive sign and which should be written after the subtraction sign. So do not worry about that. The simplest method is that when you are given the question that find the difference between, okay, such a type of question is given, then you can take them in any order. So I will take 3 upon 8 minus 7 upon 8. Denominator is same. That will mean plus 3 minus 7. So whenever we do such thing, what we do? We take the negative outside and we do 7 minus 3. We reverse the positive and negative. So 7 was minus, which will become plus, and 3 was plus, it will become minus, and denominator is same. We have done this method, we have learned this method previously in comparing numbers, knowing numbers, addition, subtraction, everywhere. So this has been explained. 7 minus 3 will give you 4 upon 8, and minus sign was outside, so minus 4 upon 8 is the difference. Or you can say minus 1 upon 2. But you can see that the question states that we had to find the difference between 7 upon 8 and 3 upon 8. We were not given the specific order of subtracting 7 upon 8 from 3 upon 8. Therefore, the minus sign will be negated because of the question, and that will become a plus. I hope you understand that. That will become a plus. So we will take the modulus of that. So modulus means if a question states that the answer should be positive, either it will be stating it verbally in a language form, or it will be stating mathematically using the option of greater than 0 or modulus symbol, anything like that. So such thing explains that the answer should be positive, and when it is positive, we will take the modulus of the answer obtained. So this happened because we misjudged between 3 upon 8 and 7 upon 8, and we placed it in the wrong fashion. However, if the question would have been subtract 7 upon 8 from 3 upon 8, then minus 4 upon 8 or minus 1 upon 2 would have been correct. But since no specific order has been given, then it is correct to take the modulus or the positive sign. If it had been that directly 7 upon 8 minus 3 upon 8 would have been written mathematically, then that will be the answer minus 1. Okay, I hope you understand. Question number 5. Mother made a good patti in a round shape. She divided into 5 parts. Seema ate one piece from it. If I eat another piece, then how much would be left? Okay, so there is a thing that is known as gur patti, also known as tikki, also known as kajak, etc. So this has been divided into 5 parts. Okay, out of that, Seema has eaten one piece from it, that is 1 upon 5, and I eat another piece from it. Then I or me, I will write 1 upon 5 because I am also trying to eat one more piece. Then how much would be left? So remaining will be 5 upon 5 minus 1 upon 5 minus 1 upon 5. That will make 5 will be the common denominator, and that will be 5 minus 1, that is 5 minus 2, and 5 minus 2 is equal to 3 upon 5, and 3 upon 5 or 3/5 of the good chakki or the good patti will be remaining. Coming to question number 6. So I hope that you are able to understand the concept as to how addition and subtraction for fractions are done in case they have the same denominator or they have different denominator. Question number 6. My elder sister divided a watermelon into 16 parts. So watermelon has been divided into 16 parts. I ate 7 out of them. So remaining, the question will be remain. So okay, we'll get to the remaining part first. Remaining, so 16 upon 16 minus 7 upon 16, that is me. After that, my friend ate 4. So 4 upon 16 will be friend. How much did we eat between us? How much did we eat between us? That is one question. That is, it wants the summation of both. That is, me plus friend is required. That is the first question. Second is, how much more of watermelon did I eat than my friend? That is, now in the second part, it is asking that how much more of watermelon did I eat than my friend? That is, I have to subtract the amount of watermelon my friend ate from my portion. So I will subtract me minus friend. Focus on the language and you will get to understand. what portion of the watermelon remained. So remained has already been taken into account. So 16 is common, therefore the answer will be 7 and 4. 16 minus 7 minus 4, that is 7 और 4 11, 16 में से 11 गया 5. So 5 upon 16 is remaining. Question number 1, me and friend, that will be 11 upon 16, and me minus friend will be 7 minus 4, that is 3 minus 3 upon 16. So this was question number 6. Coming to another question. The numbers of the question might be different. Sometimes it will be 6, 7, and then अचानक से 9, 10, 11. So do not worry about that. Numbers have been taken just at random. They might not be sequential or chronological. Example number 8. Subtract 3 upon 4 minus from 5 upon 6. So 3 upon 4 is to be subtracted from 5 upon 6. We do not have a choice of reversing the order. So 3 upon 4 will be taken over here. 6 and 4 are there. LCM will be 12. Therefore, this will become the 12 will be there. So I will take it in common. And 6 into 2 will be there. 4 into 3 will be there. So 5 into 2 will be 10. And 3 into 3 will be 9. This will be 1 upon 12. Add 2 upon 5 and 1 upon 3. So 2 upon 5 to 1 upon 3. That will mean that again LCM, that will be 15, and 5 into 3 and 3 into 5 will be there. So 2 into 3 6 plus 3 into, so 1 into 5 5, 6 और 5 11, so 11 upon 15. The question can also be in a manner that add minus 2 upon 5 to 1 upon 3. So what you have to do, you just have to write minus 2 upon 5 and add 1 upon 3. So that will be your answer. You can also have the question that subtract minus 2 upon 5 to 1 upon 3. So that will be 1 upon 3 subtract minus 2 upon 5. And as you know, we have studied in our previous chapters that minus, when in such situation, will give the equation as 1 upon 3 plus 2 upon 5, and we can calculate the answer as we know the procedure from now. Coming to the next question. Simplify 3 upon 5 and minus 7 upon 20. So the exact order has been given. So we will just write 3 upon 5 minus 7 upon 20. So LCM will be taken. So 5 into 4 will be done. So this will yield the result of 3 into 4, that will be 12, minus 7 upon 20, that will be 12 minus 7, that is 5 upon 20, and then it will be further simplified as 1 upon 4. So these things have been discussed in very details. That is why I am not giving time while calculating or showing you the answers. As of now, these have been discussed in very detail. Each and every step has been discussed. Coming to question number 11. Add 2 4 by 5, 3 5 by 6. So we have to add that. So as you know that while studying the improper fraction, I told you that two methods are there to write an improper fraction. 2 4 by 5 can also be written as 2 4 by 5. But if it is written as 2 into 4 upon 5, then that will mean as a multiplication. Or if it is written as 2 4 upon 5, then also it will mean a multiplication. Okay, so 2 4 upon 5 in such manner will be multiplication, because brackets mean that we have to multiply. 2 into 4 upon 5 obviously mean multiplication. 2 4 upon 5 in this manner without the bracket will mean improper fraction, and 2 4 upon 5 with brackets but 4 and 5 written in the same line will mean the improper fraction. So I hope you understand. Now we'll come to the part of adding. I've discussed this previously also. I discussed it again. So 2 4 upon 5 and 3 5 upon 6 will do what? We'll convert it into an improper fraction. That will mean that 5 2s are 10 plus 4 14 upon 5, and plus 3 in 5 by 6. So 6 3s are 18 plus 5 23 upon 6. And we'll get the LCM, that will be 6 and 5, that is 30. So this will be 30 and this will be into 6 and this will be into 5. So 14 into 6, 23 into 5. You can do the calculation on your own. This is the process of how to solve it. Example number 12. So you can just write the process down till now and you can calculate it later on after watching the video. Example number 12, that is find 4 2 by 5 minus 2 1 by 5. So 4 2 by 5 minus 2 1 by 5, that is 5 4s are 20 plus 2 22 upon 5 minus 5 2s are 10 plus 1 11 upon 5, and that is, this is with a positive sign. 22 minus 11 will give you 11 upon 5, or it can also be written as 2 1 by 5. So this will be the answer. So in the next video, we'll start with exercise 7.5, and I hope that you have understood all the concepts. In case you have not watched our videos in totality, I would suggest you to please visit our playlist and watch the videos in totality. And we have gradually and continuously improved our teaching methods, our way of teaching, and our fluency and everything. So that will keep on improving as the time flows. And as you know, that proper pariksha has the trinity of simplicity, comprehensiveness, and academic excellence. In order to achieve ultimate goal, that is, one should not only be able to solve the questions that are given to them or shown to them prior, but should be able to tackle any sort of new questions or new concepts or new problems on their own, as they know by seeing our videos, by visiting our channel, that how do we approach a question, how do we approach a problem. So I would suggest you to please subscribe and like our videos and comment in case you have any suggestions for us. Do share with your classmates in your WhatsApp group, Facebook, etc. So till the next time we meet in exercise, good